So you like summer sausage, but you've been reluctant to try to make it because it just seems too technical or difficult. Let me let you in on a little something. I'm going to show you an easy way to make homemade summer sausage. Today on the Smoke Show! So I'm going to post all the ingredients later at the end of this video, but just to give you a quick run through what you're going to need. Pink curing salt, kosher salt, onion powder, smoked paprika, liquid smoke, black peppercorn, mustard seed, bacon, hickory smoked salt, garlic powder, and a little red pepper flakes. Now the secret ingredient is 1 pound of mild Italian sausage and 3 pounds of venison burger. Now you might be able to do this with beef. Pretty sure you can. I've never done it, but I would reckon it would be the same recipe. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put all this together, put it in the fridge for a couple of days, then smoke it and have beautiful summer sausage. Okay, people, it's going to be delicious. It's going to be the best summer sausage you've ever had. Here we go. 1 1/4 teaspoon kosher salt, 1 1/4 teaspoon bacon smoked salt, 1/2 teaspoon pink curing salt, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic, 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon red pepper flakes, 1 heaping tablespoon of black peppercorns, 2 tablespoons of mustard seed, 10 to 12 shakes of liquid smoke. Final ingredient, 1/2 cup of ice water. KitchenAid, baby. This attachment, throw it in there, let it do its business. I'll usually let this go for a couple of minutes and switch it out with the rest of it and then blend it all together. Ever made meatloaf? Probably have. All we're going to do at this juncture is take this out and make 3 nice logs. Wrap them up in plastic wrap and stick them in the refrigerator for 2 days. So this plastic wrap isn't that wide, so I cut 2 pieces and put them together to roll up a single log. That's usually the best way to do it. So what I'm going to do right now is to make sure that I have about the same portion of meat in each log. I'm going to make 3 gigantic meatballs out of this. Here I've got 3 meatballs that are pretty much uniform. We're going to form them into a log. Not like the kind I usually make. You know what I'm saying. Just kind of pound it in there. Pull it out. And we're going to roll it nice and tight. We put this in the refrigerator for 24 hours to let these flavors meld and that curing salt to go to work. And then we're going to take them out, smoke them on the grill. So the reason I'm doing this is, well, I like to take my deer back where they came from, so there's no better snack while you're on the stand than a nice piece of summer sausage. I made this 5 months ago and I'm running out, so it's time to make some more. Now, you may ask yourself, how long will this last? Well, in a Ziploc bag in the refrigerator, about 3 weeks. In the freezer, 5 to 6 months. Plan accordingly. It's been 2 long days. My father plays dominoes better than your father does, Amen. All right, so we're smoking now. Nothing but smoking. We got it in on a top rack with a pan of water, and we're gonna keep it on there for about 45 minutes to an hour, and then increase the temperature to 225 degrees until the internal temperature reaches 160. Should take about 3 hours-ish. It's done. You don't want to go into this right away. If you're going to eat it soon, you need to at least put it in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. Wrap it in aluminum foil, let it cool off. It's best eaten at room temperature, so whether you have frozen it or pulling it out of the fridge at a later day, make sure that you let it sit for about 15 minutes before you chow into it. And get you some cheese and some olives and whatever else, and chop it up and put it on a charcuterie board. So now it's time for the big reveal. I left these in the refrigerator overnight. Yes. So I'm going to cut these 2 in half, put them in the freezer. Better for portion control. The rest of it going downtown probably pretty quickly. Hope you enjoy yours as much as I enjoy mine. See you around.